everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Cali and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a long-awaited haul video. I don't think I've done one of these at all in 2021, or at least not in a couple months, so I'm really excited to share these polishes with you. This is a little bit different to other haul videos I've done in the past because this is specifically a less toxic nail polish haul, so these are some of the newer polishes that I've gotten in the last couple months, because as you know, I have been doing my journey to less toxic nail polish. Well, you would know that if you had seen previous videos, so if you're new here, I am on a journey to less toxic nail polishes, just trying to declutter my collection a bit and make better choices for myself and for my nails. So I have found a couple of brands and various lines of nail polish that I really like at this time with the ingredients that I've been researching and just all the things like that. So if you haven't seen my previous videos about what I'm doing here on my channel, and if you haven't checked out the Less Toxic page of my website where I list lots of scientific resources for nail polish ingredients and just figuring out which ones you would like to avoid in your own nail polishes, then you can check that out in the description box. I also have a playlist of all of my less toxic videos from the last month or so, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I am so excited to share all these polishes with you. There are so many beautiful ones, and they're actually really great for spring. So without any further ado, let's get right on into the video. One of the first polish lines I actually gravitated toward when I was first picking up some polishes after I was getting rid of quite a few was the Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure line. I really like these polishes. I'll put their attributes on screen. I'll do that for each line as I go just so you can see kind of the less toxic aspects of them. So this one is called Peony Origins. It is this beautiful hot pink cream. I actually just posted a swatch of this over on my Instagram, so go follow me there at 360 Nails for more nail art and swatches and lifestyle content on my story, all things like that. But anyway, this formula is really nice. I love this color. It is so beautiful for spring and summer. If you are a seasonal nail polish wearer, it is just so pretty, and I really like the basic kind of vibe from this one because you could definitely use this for a lot of bases for nail art, and it would look so beautiful on a variety of skin tones. So I'm really happy I picked this one up. It was actually a good replacement for another polish that I was getting rid of. Another one from the Good Kind Pure line, we have Red Rock Canyon, and this one is just a really basic, nice, neutral, kind of sandy tan color, and I've been trying to add more neutral polishes to my collection because every time I try to do nail art and I need a polish like this, I always feel like I don't have the right shade, so I decided to get this one, and I really like this one. The formula wasn't spectacular, but it is very nice. Also, I forgot to say this in the beginning, but because this is a haul video, I won't be doing any swatches for these or anything, so I'm just showing you the polishes, and we're just having a little chat. So I have posted quite a few swatch pictures over on my Instagram, and I'm sure these will all appear in future top 6 videos so you can see the swatches then. But if you would like to see sort of like a swatch with me video for these, I thought that would be fun. So let me know in the comments if you would like to see a less toxic swatch with me video of all of these polishes or just a few. We'll see what happens. So let me know in the comments down below. This one is just so pretty. Next we have Mint Refresh, and this one actually has kind of a funny story, but I wanted to include it anyway. So this one is actually a polish that I already owned because upon returning home from getting these polishes from, I think it was CVS, I was looking at the names because I was adding them to an Instagram caption, and I realized that I already had this particular polish. So believe it or not, that's the first time I've ever done that, surprisingly. So that was kind of funny, so I returned the other one, but this is my original polish, and I really like this really nice light green color. Again, perfect for spring. I've been using this one in a lot of nail art lately. It's been really good. The formula is really nice, and I just really like the color. I don't have a lot of green polishes either, so I'm trying to build back up my green stash of polishes. So this one was a nice addition. I actually used this one in a recent St. Patrick's Day manicure, which was one of my favorites recently, so I really like this one a lot. The final Good Kind Pure polish I have to show you is called Suntastic, and this is a really pretty pale yellow. The formula on this one is not spectacular, but I do really like the color. I think I have one other color kind of like this. It's from Olive and June. I think it was from a spring collection of theirs a couple years ago, but I didn't realize I had this one until I already bought this one, and they're a little bit different, so that's okay. But I really like this shade. Again, for spring, I feel like I'm going to be repeating myself a lot throughout this video, but I do think this one is a nice basic. Once again, all of these pure polishes, and quite a few that I've actually been purchasing, have been pretty basic, just because, like I said, I've gotten rid of so many polishes that I really do need to kind of build up my basics again, because I still need some polishes for nail art and everything. So I actually ended up getting rid of pretty much all of my yellow polishes, like literally almost all of them, because I didn't have that many to begin with. So I'm happy to add this one to my new lineup. It is very, very nice. Moving on, I have just one polish from China Glaze. This is from their Cali Dreams collection, so I mean, I had to get at least one from this collection. I probably will get a couple more, hopefully soon, because I feel like they're going to release their summer collection, so I better get more from this collection quickly. But I really like the basic colors in this one too. So this one is called Live in the Moment, which is a really cute name, and this is just a really nice pale minty blue. It is very, very light, a little bit bleached, and I just really, really like the color. The formula, because it is lighter, wasn't spectacular, but it was pretty nice, and I just really like these pastel colors on my skin tone, and this one would look beautiful on a variety of skin tones. I have seen so many swatches of the Cali Dreams collection. I just really, really like all of the polishes. They're really versatile, and I just think it's a really beautiful collection of spring shades. So I really want to get some more. Probably, I think I've seen a couple like the peaches and the pinks I thought were really pretty, so I'm definitely going to look into that, but this is the only one I have for right now. Next, I have a couple from the brand Naturalism. I actually reviewed these polishes, or different ones from this line, back in December, and I just swatched a couple of them, and that was really fun because I'd never seen this brand before. It was new to Sally Beauty, I believe, so this one is actually a Sally Beauty exclusive brand. So this first polish I have here is called You're Kidding, which is very cute. I really like that name. This one just really stood out to me. I love these really vibrant, like fuchsia colors. I just think they're so pretty, and I actually got rid of a couple polishes that kind of looked a bit like this, and I really like the bright shimmer, so I wanted to add this one to my collection. It did not disappoint. It is a beautiful shimmery polish. It's not quite metallic, but it is really nice and glowy. Once again, would look gorgeous on a variety of skin tones, and again, I always say this about Naturalism. I really like the packaging. I just think it's so unique and really aesthetic, so I really like this one, and then I'll show you one more that I have from Naturalism as well. The second and final one I picked up from Naturalism is this one called Moonstone. This one I thought was so cool in the bottle. It has this really beautiful kind of unicorn finish to it. If you've ever seen those like powders that you use for your nails, this one kind of reminded me of that. The finish did, at least. So this one I actually used in a recent nail design because I wanted to add a little bit of shimmer over the design I created. So this one is a really nice topper if you want to add this to a cream polish to kick it up a notch, or if you just want to add it over another glitter, that would be really cool too. So this one on its own kind of adds a nice kind of duochrome wash to your nails, which is really cool. So I really like this one, and I think it's very unique. I don't have any other topper quite like this in my collection because it is just a shimmer. It's not glitter at all. It's just a really nice glowy shimmer, and it's very unique, and it would be very versatile because you can just do, you know, one coat for a quick little bit of shimmer, or you could do several coats and build it up. So very versatile and very, very pretty. Next, we have a couple from the Pacifica Plant Magic line, and these I actually just picked up. I pretty much spent the whole last week on my channel talking about these, so if you want to see my recent shop with me video as well as my first impression review video of these, you can check those out over on my video page of my channel. And I just swatched these in my last video, and they are so, so nice. I really want to get more polishes from this line, and the packaging is great. The formulas are nice for the most part, and this particular one here, Blue Moon, is just so beautiful. I've been saying this a lot in my recent videos. I've been trying to add more gray polishes to my collection, so this is a really nice blue toned gray cream, and this one is just so pretty. Again, I feel like I've said this a lot in this video, but this would be beautiful on a variety of skin tones. It's great for all seasons, and it's just really versatile. Again, a really nice nail art shade, a base color, something like that, so I really like this one. It's a little bit unique to my collection, so very, very nice. Another one from the Plant Magic line, here we have Minty, and I talked a little bit about this in my review video, but I actually recently was getting rid of too much of a good fling from China Glaze, which was from their Spring Fling collection from quite a few years ago. So it was an older polish, and I really wasn't happy with the ingredients in the formula, so I was looking for a new minty green to match, and that one was really nice, kind of saturated. This one is a little bit lighter and more pastel, but I do really like this one. The formula was okay. It was a little bit thin just because it is a lighter color, but I still really, really love the tone of this one. I think it's perfect for spring and summer. Like I've been saying through this whole video, I think I'm just gravitating towards spring and summer shades at the moment because I am so excited for warmer weather. So I really like this one, and I think it is super pretty and a little bit unique to my collection because I don't have very many mint greens anymore now that I've gotten rid of quite a few polishes. So this one will definitely be used a lot in the coming months. Finally, we have Diamond. This is the final polish that I picked up this time from the Pacifica Plant Magic line. This one really caught my eye, like I said in my recent review video. I don't want to repeat myself in case you've seen that one already, but this one reminds me of an Essie polish that I recently decluttered as well. Like I said, I was doing a lot of replacing in these past couple times I've been to the stores to get nail polishes and just replace different ones that I was getting rid of and that I really liked. So this one I thought was just so cool. It is very, very messy to take off because there is quite a lot of shimmer in it, but it is worth it. It is so beautiful, and I just think I haven't seen a lot of these kind of like glowy white polishes in a long time, so I'm really happy to see the unique shades and shimmers and different finishes that Pacifica has brought to this Plant Magic line. I just think it's awesome and very, very fun, so I'm really happy with the polishes that I picked up from them. Again, you can check out my review video in the cards. Finally, the last one I have to show you is called Dial It Up, and this is from the Essie Expressi line. This one I thought was just so stunning. I mentioned this in my recent Shop With Me video, but my mom and I were actually shopping for polishes on this particular day, and we just thought this one was so beautiful. We love a good purple polish, so this one is a really nice kind of deep eggplant purple, and it's pretty metallic-y, which is really cool. It's not showing up super well on camera, but I am going to post a swatch and some nail art on my Instagram soon. So this one is a really nice, like I said, eggplant kind of more blue tone purple, and it's just so stunning and really, really unique. I really like what Essie is doing with their, again, kind of like the Pacifica Plant Magic lines, just kind of coming up with these more unique, different shades compared to some of their more classic ones. So really, really happy with this one, and I do want to get more from the Expressi line because I was pretty happy with the ingredients in these. So hopefully I'll get more of those soon, and I'll probably do another review video. That would definitely be fun. So that is our last polish for today. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this haul video. I had a great time filming this and putting it together. You guys know I really like putting together haul videos, and I know you guys enjoy watching them because these always do really well on my channel. So I hope you enjoyed this one too. Let me know in the comments which of these was your favorite, or if you've picked up any polishes recently, or if there's any on your wish list. And I'm just super happy with all of these. It's been really fun getting these newer polishes for my collection, especially because at the beginning when I did start this less toxic journey, I was very worried that I wouldn't be able to find a lot of polishes to use anymore. That was one of the things that I found really stressful about going through my collection and just making this whole transition, and I'm so happy and relieved that I was able to find new polishes to use. So like I said in my initial video about this whole thing, if you too are going through a less toxic journey like me, then there is so much hope and there are so many options and there is so much to be discovered, and you'll find so many great products that are so much better for you. So if you are going through your own journey, then I wish you all the luck in the world, and I know you will do amazing, and I hope you enjoy what you find because there are so many beautiful polishes in the world. I've been having so much fun discovering all these new brands and lines. It's been really great. So I will have another video for you on Friday, and it will be a nail art collab, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. Don't forget to join the Very Important Polished Person email club newsletter down in the description box, and I will try to link all of these below as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon with another video. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!